While installing a waterproof and noise reduction roof seal on my Tesla Model Y, I noticed a tiny chip on the windscreen. Honestly, it's so small that it could be easily missed. The first thing I did was open the Tesla app and book a service appointment. Everything was straightforward until I saw the estimated cost, nearly £3,000 for a windscreen replacement. Safe to say, that got my attention. Thankfully, my Model Y is still covered under Tesla used vehicle warranty, so I wasn't too concerned. The appointment ended up being a little later than I expected because Tesla uses a specialist contractor for windscreen replacements, so the schedule depends on their availability. On the day of the appointment, I set off for the service center. It was about 45 to 50 minutes drive, but thankfully, with the Model Y, the journey was nice and easy. As soon as I arrived, something pretty cool happened. The car recognized that it was at a Tesla service center and automatically switched into service mode. I didn't need to check in at a desk or tell the car anything. I simply got out, opened the Tesla app, confirmed I had arrived, and handed the car over. After speaking with the receptionist, I sat down and waited for the service team. A few minutes later, I received another notification through the Tesla app confirming that the entire windscreen replacement would be covered under warranty, so no £3,000 bill after all. While the work was being carried out, I had a look around the showroom. I spent some time checking out the new Model 3 and the refreshed Model Y Juniper Standard. Both look fantastic in person. I also managed to take the Model Y Juniper Performance out for a quick test drive, and I must say, what a car. It's definitely something I'd consider upgrading to in the future. One thing that really caught my eye was the carbon fiber interior trim. It looks so much better than the standard finish, and it's definitely something I'd like to add to my own Model Y. A couple of hours later, I received another notification letting me know the repair was complete and my car was ready for collection. When I got back to the Tesla service center, I noticed these red tapes running between the new windscreen and the panoramic roof. At first, I had no idea what they were for because nobody mentioned them when I collected the car. After a quick search online, I found out that they were there to help keep the newly bonded windscreen secure while the adhesive continues to seal the new windscreen to the frame, preventing any unwanted movement during driving. With that mystery solved, it was finally time to head home. The new windscreen looked perfect. Everything had been completed under warranty, and despite the unexpected trip, the whole experience was smooth from start to finish. By this point, I was hungry and tired, so it was time to head home.